Hi, this is Mike from Stagecoach Road Sewing, and today we're going to look at a Singer 15K. This is a obviously class 15 machine, meaning that it takes a standard class 15 bobbin, a standard home sewing needle available anywhere sewing machine supplies are sold. This is an all steel drive machine, very powerful. Good for everything from quilting to baby clothes to upholstery, leather goods. It's just been refurbished, and we're taking it on its final test run. You get to be along to watch. So we'll thread it up. So we'll start our test with some flannel. And as you'll notice, there's no motor on this machine. It had a 220 European motor on it, which I took off. And you have your choice of having a 110 motor and light installed, having a hand crank installed, having it set up for your treadle machine, or having it set up to go in your to replace the old machine in your cabinet at home. So we're using all finger drive here. A nice tidy seam on both sides there. Nice well balanced stitch. Here we have some denim. This is heavy denim from a pair of Carhartt logger jeans. This machine, of course, comes with our free lifetime guarantee that comes with all of the machines we sell. If anything ever goes wrong with it, you send it or bring it back to us, and if we can fix it, we'll fix it for you for free. You, of course, will pay for parts, shipping. That's 2 layers of heavy denim. Alright, we're going to take that 2 layers of heavy denim, we're going to fold it in half to make 4 layers, and fold it again to make 8 layers, and we're going to sew 8 layers of heavy denim. See how that 8 layers just slides right under the presser foot there? That's a lot of room, and there's a lot of harp space here for your big and bulky projects. So here we go, 8 layers of heavy denim. slippery surface. Of course, it doesn't do this when you've got the proper drive hooked up. But you get the picture here. It's a strong machine. And I'm going to sew some split leather. There's 2 layers of split leather. And I'm not going to change over to a leather needle. If you were sewing your leather project, you will want to use a leather needle because of the type of hole that it pierces in the leather. This pierces a round hole. A leather needle has more of a chisel point, and it makes a hole that has less tendency to tear. But for demonstration purposes, this is fine. Actually, I should put something non-skid under this, on this split tabletop. But as you can see, 2 layers of split leather with no effort. Nice, neat, even stitch on both sides, well balanced. There you have it, Singer 15K in a real cool electric lightning bolt pattern with the red Singer S on it. This machine you can find at our website, which is stagecoachroadsewing.com. And there you'll also find lots of other really cool old vintage American, Japanese, German-made sewing machines. Almost all of them in nearly new condition, like this one is. You might be able to see that the shellac on the bed is just a little bit scarred up, but all the decals are pretty nearly perfect. Got a little chip right there. Got some pin scratches, of course, but that's to be expected. But overall, this machine is in nearly new condition. Barely been used, and like I said, you'll find lots of other old pre-1970 steel drive machines that are better than anything that you can buy new. So, stagecoachroadsewing.com, and we will see you there.